I say, hey baby, don't you worry. Just want you happy, and if it's not me, then you can go on your way. I never force you to stay, but I'm so far from okay, yeah. Oh, oh, let's be alone together. Oh, can we be
Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look right here, and I have to be very honest, I wanted to create more like a simple everyday wearable makeup look using the Daisy, Marquez and BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I wanted to use these two colors right here, but then things went downhill very fast because I saw this glitter thing here on my vanity and I said let me apply just a little bit of that. And 2 seconds later this happened. So I do have some glitters on the mirror, that's why I don't have the mirror right here. And I feel like this is super easy to achieve. I only used 2-3 eyeshadows and a pigment, and also I have to say that I feel a little bit intimidated by these pigments, especially the pigmented ones. I feel like they are a little bit too hard to work with. If you use this wet and then you try to blend it, you have to wait till this dry out and then go and blend it, because then you're gonna mess everything. So yeah, I really like this pigment, and when I swatch this on my hand I do see like a purplish shine. It's not glitter because it's not glitter, it's like a shift shiny purple, but I don't see that on my eyes. And I have to say that I haven't done a halo eye makeup look in a while and it wasn't that easy. I mean, I struggled just a little bit. And I guess that's it for this intro. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. But first I'm going to shout out the subscriber of the day, I guess. Okay, so let's see who I'm going to shout out in today's video. So I'm just scrolling through my comments on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to shout out Stephanie. Thank you so much for your support. She also has a YouTube channel, and if you want to go and subscribe and watch her videos, why not? Thank you so much, Stephanie, you are so cute, and don't hide your French accent, okay? I really like it. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start with Naked, and as we can see this is more like a wash of color. I wanted to have this in my crease, and then I'm going to grab Vintage and I'm going to slowly build this color, and I'm going back and forth with a clean brush and adding more color and blending some more. So far nothing crazy. Next I'm going with the Scorpion pigment from the Zodiac collection, and first I'm going to apply this dry as it is. Go slowly because this is pigmented and a little bit messy, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm going to build this up slowly, and then I'm going to clean this brush on this piece of sponge, and I'm going to go back and blend some more. And again I'm taking a clean brush and I'm going to buff out those edges because I want this to be as blended and as clean as possible. And next I'm going to use this pigment wet because I want this to be very intense. I'm taking a very small flat brush and I'm going to be focusing this mostly on the outer corner and the inner corners of the eyes because I'm going to create that halo effect. Then I'm going to let this dry because when it's wet does not want to blend, so I'm going to let that dry, and then again I'm picking the same brush and I'm going to slowly blend those edges. With my white concealer I'm going to cut the crease, or I'm going to create the halo effect, call it whatever you want. And as I said, I haven't done a halo eye makeup look in a while and I struggled a little bit, but I think it looks okay. I mean, I think so. Here I'm buffing out those edges because they are looking sharp. We don't want that. And next I'm going to take this rose gold color from the Zulu palette and I'm going to mix it with this lavender color. So I'm going to create my own custom color. And I'm going to apply that right in the center where I created that spotlight, if that makes sense. And first I'm going to apply this dry and then I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to apply it on top wet. And to give this look a little bit more dimension, I'm going to apply icy right in the center, like where the light hits, and also I'm going to enhance that cut crease or, you know, halo effect. Next I'm going to apply this mesmerizing glitter sequins, whatever they are called, I don't know, but look how mesmerizing. This reminds me of a mermaid. So beautiful. Okay, so because I didn't like that gel, I used my glitter primer because I wanted to make sure these will stick on my lids. So this is what I'm doing right here. And next I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to grab whatever I can grab with my brush. Mostly I wanted to pick those tiny glitters and I'm going to apply them everywhere because look how beautiful this is. So mesmerizing. Wow. I'll let that dry for a second and next I'm going to do my bottom lash line and mostly I'm going to apply the Scorpion pigment. I also apply that pigment in my waterline, but you can barely see it because hashtag unprofessional. Okay, let's move on. Next I'm going to line my lash line because I'm going to apply falsies. Even though the falsies I'm going to apply, they don't have a thick band, but I wanted to add a liner for this makeup look. I already did my face makeup and I'm retouching the bottom lash line. And next I'm going to go with my Wispies, my favorite lashes ever. And I let the entire clip of me applying the lashes so you can see how easy they are to apply. Just watch. Okay, now tell me, wasn't those lashes super easy to apply? I mean, okay, next I'm going to take again this rose gold color and I'm going to use that wet and I'm going to apply that in my inner corners and look how beautiful that is. I mean, stunning. On top of that I'm going to go again with icy for a pop of light and also I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that shade. To highlight my face, I'm using On the Cusp again from the Zodiac collection, and I wanted to match my lipstick with my eyeshadows, so I'm using this ColourPop lipstick and look how pretty this is. But first I'm going to line my lips with this Beige Cosmetics liner. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I have to say that I really like how this turned out. I like those purple sequins, glitters, I don't even know what they are. I bought this from AliExpress. I don't know how safe is this to put on my eyes, but here I am. Here I am. So yeah, this is like a gel, and I don't really like that gel because I feel like it doesn't makes the glitters or the sequins stick to my eyelids. That's why I used my NYX Glitter Primer. But other than that, this is so mesmerizing. I really like it. As I said, I don't know how safe is this. On the reviews, some people use this on the nails as well, so I don't know what to say. I use this on my eyes. I don't feel any itchiness, any burning, anything. As I said, I don't like that gel, so I took out some sequins or glitters and let that dry on the mirror, and then with my brush I pick them up and then glue them with my glitter glue. That's why I have them on this mirror right here. So yeah guys, let me know down below, what do you think? I feel like this is so party ready, like, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Wow, can we please focus? Like, please focus. Wow, there's so many glitters on my floor. Amazing. This is my last hurrah. Wow, I don't know what I wanted to say. How is that even possible?